Welcome to Work From Home Opportunities for You. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today we're going to be talking about this position with Walker's Customs. Is a customer service representative and he pays from $19 to $30 an hour. So Walker Customs is seeking a customer representative for the team. The customer service representative will communicate with customers on a daily basis to improve customer success. Ideal applicants will have strong interpersonal and communication skills, allowing them to communicate effectively with both customers and coworkers. Our customer service representative's daily tasks will include answering questions, guiding customers through troubleshooting, helping customers choose products, and handling inbound customer requests. The customer service representative works to support high net promoter scores and boost overall satisfaction. Some of the responsibilities include provide a professional greeting to each customer, respond to all customer questions, receives all processes customer orders, handles all inquiries related to orders and shipments, and price and availability of parts, and communicates additional information are required. Analyzes and determines opportunity to cross-selling and upsell potential, ensure all customers' interactions are properly noted, properly execute upselling strategies, adhere to SOPs to promote a positive customer service, communicate effectively with crew members and management. Some of the requirements include ability to maintain a calm and professional demeanor throughout all customers' interactions. Applicants for the customer service associate position must be at least 18 years of age, enthusiasm for helping others, clear communication skills, being respectful, compassionate, and supportive are the key for success. Weekday scheduling availability and valid work authorization required. They do have full-time, part-time, and temporary positions. Remember, this pays from $19 to $30 an hour, and some of the benefits that includes is 401k, dental health, and vision insurance, and also paid time off. They're 8-hour shifts, day shifts, Monday through Friday, with some weekend availability, and they also have bonus pay and sign-on bonus. It is completely remote. And if you would like to apply for this particular role, go ahead and click on the description down below, or we have the link to apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we have the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.